Wow! Whoa! What? What is it? It's a snow twister! It's a snow tornado! Dan's Vlogs. That's awesome. Beautiful day here in Grayton Beach. Great spot. Lot number 29, I believe. The beach is just a half mile down the road there. And the bathrooms are down this little trail straight back. Alright, so this is the beautiful Grayton Beach. Never heard of it. It's about, say, 15 minutes east of Destin, Florida. Our campsite is actually right across this little bay there. So we had to just loop around there with the camper and park down here. But next day, I mean, it wouldn't be a bad little bike ride or a jog. But let's check out what it's all about. Here goes. Oh, there goes. Oh, that's beautiful.
Change your behavior right now. Do you want me to see if I can get a new game, or do you want it to be thrown out the window? No, that's not the answer. There's two answers. There's answer A. Please get me another.
Where are we headed to today, Jen?
Rick's Cavern.
Rickwood. I think Rickwood Cavern's just north of Birmingham, Alabama. So this will be the first time we camp in Alabama. Roll Tide, baby. We'll see you shortly.
Hey guys, this is Penny Cam. As you guys know, I'm very short. But look how close we are. I know, so we can't. No, stop it. My finger's at the tip of my finger. Yeah, that's a swimming pool. But beside it's a little park and then a station right there where you can souvenir shopping and everything. But right now we're just chilling because you know, you guys, that I have skinned that pineapple skin because I got bit here and right there. And right there. So, we keep getting sprayed after spray after spray. It is a really cool park. Where it's very old-fashioned, all made out of metal, super high slides, super fast slides, all sorts of stuff. So we're gonna go and walk over there to you now after we're done.
Well, hello guys, and welcome to the coolest playground ever. It's like stepping back into time. You know, you got the old traditional seesaws, and then the 20-foot slides, 10-foot slides, and then the little mediocre 8-footers. But all metal, all awesome. What we grew up to, right, Jen?
Oh, yeah.
Well, hello you guys, and welcome to Nashville, Tennessee. We are at the, where are we, Jen? What's the state park called? Cedar Lebanon. Cedars of Lebanon State Park, about 30 minutes east of Nashville. We just got settled in at lot number 44. And also just left church there. Fellowship Bibles where we stumbled upon. That was pretty awesome. And then we're grabbing some Sunday brunch here. Brunch, actually, what's between lunch and supper? I don't know. Anyway, we're having lunch here. You know, and then I think we're gonna head in town and see all the main attractions. All right, so we're in downtown Nashville. Just gonna see what all the ruckus is all about. Only in Nashville. That's awesome.
Turn right onto 3rd Avenue South. Take the next right onto 3rd Avenue South.
Yesterday and it's true.
There they are at the original Grand Ole Opry. Okay, we'll get you a drink.
All right, so we're in Nashville here at the Angel Wings. Gonna get some selfies with the kids.
So Daniel is walking down there to the Bluebird Cafe that they have all roped off, and there's a big tour bus to see what's going on, because we were gonna get a picture just outside, but let's see what happens.
What if it's Alan Jackson?
Oh, that'd be sweet. We were trying to guess who it was. We said Alan Jackson, Luke Bryan.
I got someone down there. I don't know who it is. They're heavily secured.
It can't be Luke Bryan because he's on American Idol.
Leanne,
Oh,
Luke Bryan's on
man.
American Idol, so it can't be him.
It could be Alan Jackson. Not Katy Perry. She's on American Idol.
They wouldn't tell you who it was.
No, he's like, they don't tell us. We're just here just to make sure you can't get in.
I can show someone
Well, hello, you got, oh, what do we got here? Did you make a wish? Well, hello, you guys. Welcome to the Cumberland Gap here in Tennessee, Kentucky, or Virginia. I'm not too sure, but we are at the tri-state, one of the tri-state markers here. Actually, this map might be a little better. We're right here, and I think we're gonna hike up this little trail to what's called Saddle of the Gap. And that's where Tennessee, Kentucky, and the state of West Virginia all meet. Let's go check it out, guys.
So that they could be ready to plant their crops in the new frontier in the spring. So it looks like Elsa and Anna.
Hey, buddy.
Where there's one, there's thousands.
Oh, Jen. He's just hanging out. See you, buddy. Oh, we made it.
Bless you.
Welcome to Virginia. Welcome to Tennessee. Welcome to Kentucky.
Yes, welcome to Tennessee, Kentucky, and Virginia. This is our very first tri-state marker. We had to hike a good ways to get here, but it was well worth it. You guys love it?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah? Highly recommend. Beautiful views, great exercise. All right, well, that's a wrap here from the tri-state peak. We're gonna venture probably into Kentucky or West Virginia. So, all right, we'll see ya. Penny, where are we? Butcher Holler. Didn't you just sing a song about this?
Yeah.
Destination will be on the right.
Roped off.
What? You can't go up there? Whose house is this?
LYNN's house.
That's where she grew up, huh? Up here in Butcher Holler. Very cool.
Oh, can we go to the store?
You want to go to the LORETTA LYNN store?
Yeah. We all want to say yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Cardinal.
Oh, very cool.
Oh my God.
Check him out, he's looking at us. This is awesome. It's a very cool little store. You mind if I just capture some pictures real quick?
Took all the trains like 762. Now, that's where her daddy worked at. Now, this is the schoolhouse also, where we're at all the kids at school, Jake and Christian, well, Herman, I don't know if Christian's still there or not. But, anyway, right here's the picture of Herman. That's my brother.
country roads.
Did you take a shower today, boss?
Yep,
Oh
I feel
my
disgusting.
goodness. April 21st, and we got some snow and sleet. Crazy. 21st.
Just taking a pit stop here at Sutton Lake, West Virginia. Oh man, there's like a big snow squall just roaring in. Wow! There's nobody here. This might be a good camping spot tonight. Oh! Save yourselves! Whoa! What? What is it? It's a snow twister! It's a snow tornado! Oh my heavens, this is crazy! Oh. Ow!